Welcome everybody to another in the video series of Demystifying Business Central. Some kind of light topic, 1 to a couple of maybe 5 minutes up at most. Single process, single point in Business Central to help you kind of see what it looks and feels like. So we won't go too deep today. Do you want to talk about roles, user roles? So really taking maybe a misleading belief out of the way is that the roles may be akin to or similar to the roles in Dynamics GP, one of the predecessor ERP systems to this one. It's not really that way. It's not part of security. It can look a little bit like security, but it's simply not. What roles are, roles dictate what you see on your landing page when you log in, what we believe, PA, Professional Advantage, or what Microsoft believes are sort of the core items you will use based on your role. You know, if you're a collector, somebody who performs collections, you may need to see customer ledger balances and finance, be able to run finance charges. If you're an accountant controller, you may be more concerned with running trial balance and looking at the chart of accounts and drilling into some values. So there's really just what you see presented when you log in. So right now, what do I have here? I see customers, balance, sales orders, finance charge memos. It kind of looks like my role might be collector. If you look near the top right-hand corner, I'm just showing that I'm logged on, but near the top right-hand corner, the gear, the drop-down menu that has my settings, on that settings page, my settings page, you'll see the role is set to collector like I kind of expected. I'll just show you the help file there. It specifies the role that defines your home page with the links to the most common tasks, your most commonly used tasks. Now, unless I'm restricted by security in some way, I could change that. And maybe my role is actually, or I've been promoted, I'm actually the controller or accountant who also delves into some collections. Just watch the customer's balance finance charges were there on my landing page. When I click OK, the browser should refresh, and it is reloading new menu items. And you'll see things more akin to me being an account, chart of accounts, bank accounts, maybe bank reconciliation is found under there, fixed assets, cash management, anything to sounds or feels more like an accountant. Now, the way I've presented that, it looks like it's either or. You are one role or you are another role. But the hybrid in between there is you can always, let's say in this, my made up example, I'm an accountant who also does some collections. I need to run the finance charges. That's part of what I do. So what I can do, if my security and permissions allow, is go to finance charge screen. I didn't actually make one yet. I'm not going to make one, but what I want to present is on the finance charge memo screen, I can bookmark that near the top right corner. And when I leave that screen, regardless of the fact that I'm an accountant now as a role, or I have the role accountant rather than the role collector, I've added to my menu set the finance charge memos. That's really what roles are doing. We'll have at least one more video on maybe customizing them even further. But that's the end of this one for now, and I hope it helped you. Thanks.